Hi friend, this is Pankaj. So first update we are getting from the BSNL. BSNL best in call quality. BSNL users are apparently more satisfied with their wireless service provider than the subscriber of other network operator in the country. That's according to new data release by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, which suggested that the state-owned telecom company offers the best voice call quality among all the cellular service providers in India. While Jio and Vodafone tied at number 2, Airtel and Idea bought up new the final two spot respectively. Do note that in spite of the Vodafone Idea merger earlier this year, the report makes the distinction between two, ranking a former a couple of slot ahead the latter. The try report is based on user generated feedback from its My Call app that's available on both Android and iOS. The app enables users to rate their telecom operators on the scale of 1 to 5 based on the call quality they deliver. According to the latest data published this week, BSNL has cumulative user feedback rating of 3.4 out of 5 based on the rating submitted by 2014 users. Second update we are getting from the Google Photos. Google Photos to add new feature exclusively for Google One member Google Photos in expanding on premium editing capabilities. According to a next XDA report, Google Photos is testing the possibilities of introducing an enhanced color pop filter for Google One members. Evidence for lacking color pop behind the paywall was first spotted in the Google Photos. However, this is not the regular color pop feature that Google Photos has always had. Instead, the paid color pop variant is more capable and work even on photos without depth information. In other words, the normal color pop features is not going away, but you will have to be a good one member to use the upgraded version of the color pop. Apart from the color pop, Google is also working on adding three new pre-processing suggestion: dynamic HDR, vivid, and sky platent suggestion. Google One started at rupees 130 per month for 100 GB of storage, and other members benefit and goes up to 650 per month in case you need 2 TB of cloud storage. Google hopes that offering additional perk should incentive customer to switch to Google One membership. The third update we are getting from the ISRO. ISRO launched 10 satellites into orbit in first mission. The Indian Space Research Organization has successfully launched the 51st satellite mission to its Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. The payload includes the 10 satellites, including the Earth Observation Satellite, to provide support for agriculture, forestry, and disaster management effort in the country. The satellites were launched aboard the PSLV C-49 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. At 3:12 p.m., the liftoff was originally scheduled for 3:02 p.m. but was delayed by 10 minutes due to debris on the path of the vehicle, according to the ISRO. However, everything else is believed to have gone according to plan since then, with all 10 satellites having successfully separated from the launch vehicle and injected into their intended orbits. ISRO last mission was back in December when it launched the RESAT 2BRI. The agency has planned more than 20 missions in financial 2021, including high profiles ones like the Aditya L1, the first explanatory mission to Sun. Another ambitious project was the proposed launch of the unnamed Gaganyaan ahead of its first manned space flight next year. The agency was also planning to launch the Chandrayaan 3 mission this year. The fourth update we are getting from the MagSafe. MagSafe wireless charger India price announced when Apple announced the new iPhone 12. It's also showcased the new MagSafe wireless charging feature for the new iPhones. For the unaware, the new feature uses magnet to align the wireless charger with your iPhone to ensure a proper connection between the charger and the smartphone and get faster charging speed. We also saw the new MagSafe Duo wireless charger get announced at the event, which can charge the iPhone 12 and an Apple Watch at the same time. Now that the iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 mini pre-order are live in India, the Apple official store in the country has also listed the price for the MagSafe Duo wireless charger. Turns out the $129 accessories will be available in India at rupees 13,900 rupees. Still, the MagSafe Duo will offer fastest wireless charging at up to 15 watt on the new iPhone 12 series. The MagSafe Duo is marked as coming soon, so you can't really buy it yet. But if you are buying a new iPhone 12, you may want to keep another 14,000 rupees apart from the wireless charger if you want. The last update we are getting from the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 5G. It has been more than 6 months since Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 9 lineup in India. The company has since added many new devices to its number series, but it is only now that Xiaomi is planning to introduce the Redmi Note 9 lineup in China. The rumors of Redmi Note 9 5G and Note 9 Pro 5G have been floating around for a while now. However, we have gotten a first look at both of the Note 9 device today. Redmi Note 9 5G will launch with 6.53-inch Full HD IPS LCD screen with 2400x1080 pixel resolution. You have punch hole cutout at the top of the left. The device will be powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset, which bring 5G connectivity on the table. It will be paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, which is expandable up to 512 GB via micro SD card. The leak further suggested that the Redmi Note 9 5G will include a 5000 mAh battery with 22.5 watt fast charging support. Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G will be Xiaomi first budget-centric Redmi smartphone with 108 megapixel camera. This has been rumored for a long while and we can expect it to become a reality very soon. The 108 megapixel camera will be paired with the 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro camera. You will also find a 16 megapixel selfie sensor backed into the centric punch hole cutout on the front.